Since 1997, a powerful industrial story born in the heart of Ankara. Mutaş Group. A venture that began in a 200 square meter workshop with the manufacturing of workbenches has today evolved into a leading brand, shaping the industry with its expertise, production strength, and vision. From industrial kitchen and laundry equipment to refrigeration systems, hospital solutions, construction, and project management. At our integrated production facility in Çubuk, Ankara, with 50,000 square meters of open space and 25,000 square meters of indoor area, we design products where every detail is engineered, from cooking to cooling, from serving to mobile kitchens. In every product, we rebuild quality and trust from the ground up. From our headquarters and showroom in Ankara, we manage all our strategic operations with precision, expanding our domestic and international trade network. Our focus is not just on sales. We stand by our customers long after delivery, building sustainable partnerships. With our tailored solutions for the food processing and laundry sectors, we are being preferred in hundreds of locations, from hotels to resorts, from hospitals to military facilities, from construction sites to universities. Through our brand VİTAL, we bring the vision of a sustainable world of the future to life. In all 81 provinces of Türkiye and across 55 countries worldwide. At every step, we prioritize quality, customer satisfaction, and high efficiency with fair pricing. As Mutaş Group, we are building the future today with our corporate strength, brand value, and unwavering reputation in every field we operate. We are Mutaş Group. With every solution, every product, every achievement, we move one step further. And with determination, we are paving our way to becoming a global brand. Mutaş Group, the name behind quality, trust, and sustainable success.